I know from the outside it looks like I'm in a happy marriage and I've got these 2 beautiful kids and stuff, but I can't escape this feeling that I've been living a lie. Oh. Forget I mentioned anything.
No, sorry. No, continue. Sorry, go on. No. I'm listening.
Okay, so I've really been wrestling with my reality.
Sorry, mate. No, mate. Sorry. No. I'm listening.
You're gonna
Please.
listen.
No,
yeah?
this is serious. Continue.
I'm trying to tell you about my, sexuality. Oh, fuck.